Just come over here and sit down.
Where?
Over there. Ah! Someone ruined it.
Oh, my cane.
Josh, no, you don't need a cane.
The dog attacked me with my cane.
Hey, Fred. Hi, Fred. That door goes to my bedroom. My bedroom window. Let's see if we could look in it. Oh my God, it's my dresser. Let's come over here. Ew, spider webs. My door, my fan, my TV. Let's look over here. People sleeping.
Knock, knock.
Oh, my bedroom. I can't really show you the inside. Josh, give me that big stick. You almost whacked me with it. I'm gonna go up on this. Ow. You're not an old man.
Yes, I am.
And then people playing over back there. There are people playing back there. Our tangerine tree, our orange tree, just a bush. I have braces. See? They're not really on all the way. My mom is gonna do them on Monday because today is Saturday, and she doesn't. She can't, yeah, you know what, whatever. She can't get them on until Monday because the place for the braces don't come until, on Mondays, so. Joshua, stop getting in trouble. That's Fred. Say hi, Fred, you little pug. Say bye, Joshua.
Bye.
Say bye, pugs. And me, say bye.